Welcome everyone. Today I went to the market and found some beautiful mussels. Le cozze, delicious. So we're going to make mussel saute, or as we say in Italy, saute di cozze. Let's see what we need, and as always, detailed quantities are in the description. We need 2 pounds of mussels, clove of garlic, parsley, some chili pepper, a few ripe cherry tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's start cooking. First and foremost, we need to carefully clean our cozze. The ones I bought are pretty clean, but I'm going to make sure they really are, and take the opportunity to explain how it's done. Put your cozze in a bowl and rinse them under fresh water. Do this 2 or 3 times until you see that the water is really clean. Now take each mussel and scrape its shell with a clean toothbrush. Or you can also rub the mussels against each other. If they have any, remove this little beard-like thing that they have by pulling it towards the pointy side of the mussel. Why don't we pull it toward the round part of the mussel? Because we will kill it. Yes, mussels are alive when we buy them and should stay alive until we cook them to avoid digestive problems. Carefully inspect each mussel and remove the ones that are broken or already fully open. Those are probably dead, and we definitely don't want to deal with them and the belly ache that they can cause. Okay, now our cuts are clean and ready to be cooked. A final rinse and they are ready. Let's prepare the other ingredients then. Peel the garlic and break it in 4 pieces, let's say. No need to remove the bud in this case. It's really super straightforward. Perfect. Let's cut our tomatoes in 4 parts with a small saw-toothed knife. Other knives might lose their sharpness when used to cut acidic food like tomatoes, so it's better to use a saw-toothed knife here. Let's now prepare our parsley. Remove a few leaves and set the stems aside as we will use them later. Wash your parsley and dry it well. Then mince your parsley like so. Here. Perfect. Okay, we are ready to cook our cozze. It will really just take a few minutes to get our mussels done. Cover your pan with extra virgin olive oil and put garlic in it. Also add some chili pepper and a few parsley stems. When the oil starts frying a little, add the tomatoes and let them simmer for about 30 seconds. Now it really smells good. Mix a little and add your cozze, stir and cover. Lower the heat to half at this point. We need to cook our cozze until they open up. It really takes less than a minute. Stir the cozze with a wooden spoon so your cozze at the top can cook as well. And cover again. 30-45 more seconds and you'll see that all your cozze are now open and ready to be served. Absolutely delicious. Move them away from the heat and sprinkle some parsley. Serve them with some toasted bread and that fantastic sauce they created. Absolutely amazing. Buon appetito! Enjoy your sauté di cozze and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you next time.